Want to know the secret to making someone think about you day and night? Imagine having the ability to stay in someone's head forever, drawing them to you. Sound like magic? It's all about understanding the simple tricks of the human mind. And the best part is, you're already one step away from learning how. Stay with us until the very end, because these aren't just tips, they're the key to becoming unforgettable. Welcome. Today we're going on an incredible adventure. Have you ever wanted to be the one people can't stop thinking about? If so, you've come to the right place. We'll explore simple yet effective tactics that get to the very core of human psychology. These aren't random tips, but proven methods that will help you become so intriguing and memorable that people will remember you long after you've met. Let's solve this mystery together. Step 1. Create an emotional connection. Have you ever wondered why some people stick in your mind, touching your soul, even when they are not around? It's because they create an emotional connection with you. Emotional connections are like invisible threads that bind people together, making them think of each other again and again. So how do you create such a strong connection? Share vulnerability. Vulnerability is strength. By making yourself open, you create a bridge to genuine connection. Sharing your worries, hopes, and dreams is not a weakness, but a way to inspire others to open up in return. Start small and gradually develop this connection, allowing your vulnerability to emerge. This sharing builds trust and intimacy, making you a constant thought in their minds. Listen deeply and sincerely. The art of deep listening is not just about hearing words, but also about understanding a person's feelings, fears, and dreams. By showing genuine interest, you make others feel valued and understood. This creates a strong emotional connection that will make them remember you as someone who truly listens. Show gratitude. Simple acts of kindness, words of appreciation, or reminders that you are thinking about someone can make a huge difference. Expressing genuine gratitude for even the smallest things strengthens your bond, leaving a deep imprint on their thoughts. Creating an emotional connection is not about manipulation, it is about building genuine relationships that enrich both lives. Step 2. Be fully in the moment. In a world full of distractions, full attention is a rare commodity. When you give your full presence to another person, you make them feel special. This attention is long-lasting, and people will think of you as someone who truly values them. Step 3. Draw on the power of mystery. Have you ever noticed how hard it is to put down a mysterious book until you finish it? People enjoy intrigue and the unknown. This principle applies to human relationships as well. Embrace your unique interests. Your hobbies and passions are what make you special. When you talk about your hobbies, you light up from the inside, creating interest and a desire to learn more about you. Share little by little. Think of yourself as a book that is opened one chapter at a time. Don't reveal everything at once. This maintains intrigue and a desire to get to know you better. Break predictability. Add a little surprise to your interactions. Vary your communication dynamics to remain intriguing and unpredictable. Step 4. Regulate emotional expression. Emotional interaction requires balance. Express interest and joy, but remember to keep a level head. This will show that you have a rich life and will keep their interest. Step 5. Prioritize personal growth. Improving yourself makes you confident and goal-oriented, which attracts people. Set boundaries. Healthy boundaries show that you value yourself. This earns respect and makes you more attractive. Cultivate your passion. Being passionate about your interests makes you more interesting, and your independence is admired. The power of absence. Sometimes your absence can make you even more noticeable in someone's mind. Use silence. Give them time after a meaningful interaction to miss you. Come back with renewed energy. After a pause, share your discoveries, inspiring new interactions. Conclusion. We've covered strategies to help you become unforgettable. Remember, it all starts with genuine interest in others and respect for yourself. Create authentic connections and live a life that inspires and attracts. Thank you for joining this journey. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more. And most importantly, remember that the most important connection you can make is the one with yourself.